All right, hey guys, it's Tom Kingsbury. Wanted to share with you today a quick tutorial on how to set up breakout rooms in Google Meet. This is just one technique. It's the one I use, but it seems to work pretty well. So let's start in Google Drive. I'll click New, and what I'm going to do is just quickly set up the document that I'm going to use to organize the breakout rooms. Maybe you have something already set up that you want to work with, and that's fine. I'm just going to do this as a sample. So we'll call this breakout rooms. Perfect. So the first thing I do to set up a breakout room is actually go to my calendar. And it's not going to be the Outlook calendar. The way I do it is I pull up the calendar that's actually part of the G Suite, the Google Apps. So I'll go back here, I'll go to these little dots up in the corner, and I'm going to choose calendar. And that'll bring up my calendar. You can see some examples of me already doing this. So let's say we want to set up these breakout rooms for, I don't know, 1 o'clock today. I'm going to click here at 1 o'clock and create a new calendar instance. I'm going to call this Breakout Room 1. Then I'll go down here to this button and add a Google Meet video conferencing. I'll click that. And as you can see, it auto-generates a Google Meet link here. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it. Save this calendar instance here. And then I'm going to go back to my document. And we'll just say that this is Breakout Room 1. And you can either paste it as a link, like so you can see it, or you can highlight the words and have the words be a link. I think that looks nicer sometimes. And to do that, you highlight the thing you want to be a link, go up here to this little link in the chain image. And once again, I'm just going to go ahead and paste that link here. Click apply, and it's turned the breakout room text into a link. Right, so your viewers will just click on that, and then they can click on the link, and we'll bring them right to the breakout room. Let's do one more. We'll say this is we'll say this is Breakout Room 2. See, it's formatting that text funny, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. And we'll say the breakout room wants to occur at during the same time. So again, I'm just going to create another calendar instance here. We'll call it Breakout Room 2. Again, we will add another Google Meet. Copy this. Save it. So now we have 2 going on at the same time, which is what we want. Again, I want this text actually to be the link, so I'm going to paste that in there, click apply, and boom. We can test it and we see that it works. So for this document, since I'm going to eventually share this with scholars, I would want to alter the permissions property so they can't edit it, but they can view it and click the link. So I'm going to go up to share. I'm going to change the link. I'm actually going to change this to, well, I'll keep it at anybody with Catalyst schools can see the links, because since we're with scholars, you don't necessarily want to open it up to anybody. But if this were a setting in which, anybody, including people with a non-Catalyst email, you would want them to be able to access the document, then you would change it to anyone with the link. For now, we'll keep it as Catalyst schools, and anybody with the link can have a viewer permissions. If you change it to editor, then they can make changes, which we do not want. Okay, and if you click copy link, then you can put that in a presentation, put it in, drop it in the chat so they can access this breakout room organization document. You can use that. All right, and as you can see, I mean, the sky is kind of the limit for the legacy presentation the other day, I think I had 8 or 9 breakout rooms. It's just the same process over and over again. And I do think these links stay active for a while. I don't know definitively how long they'll be active, but I don't think it's something that you have to constantly be adding new breakout rooms. I believe that if you wanted to keep these going for a while, they would work for a while. I mean, I intend to create one set of breakout rooms, for each class, and just have those be the rooms for the semester. And I expect it to work. But of course, as we go on, we'll see if there's any bumps in the road. Alrighty, thank you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Good luck.